Hey guys, welcome back to Crystal Fan. Today we're going to be making slime, and we'll tell you how. So first, get some glue. It can be any Elmer's glue as you want. Okay, so let's pour it in. He wants to pour it in. Where's? And then once you get your glue in, so we're not finished actually, but once you get your glue in, you're going to be putting some laundry detergent in it. We put it in this cup. Yep, it can be any laundry detergent. Okay, and do you need some help?
No, I'll do it.
Okay.
I don't need any more help.
Okay. Then, as you go, you can start putting some laundry detergent in. Can I do it? Here you go.
Okay. Oh, we forgot a spoon.
Okay, so he's gonna go get a spoon.
Nice.
Okay, can I mix it? We'll show you the consistency later, so I'll be pouring. Okay, let's
Look out.
that's weird.
It looks kind of sticky. Is there any more?
This is so fun.
Okay, it's kind of sticky. Let's mix it more.